Hello students, how are you one and all? Okay. Students, as you know, we have already completed our S7 syllabus, correct? That is chapter number 3, chapter number 4 and chapter number 2. Okay? So in today's class, we will do revision. What we will do? We'll do the revision. But revision of chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. That is subtraction and addition chapters. Okay? So, but before you will solve this sum, what you have to do? You have to read the question properly and you have to understand the meaning of the question and then you have to solve that sum, right? But the first important step is you have to read the question properly. Okay? And in today's session, in today's class, teacher will not tell you the answer. You have to tell the answer. Teacher will wait. Okay? So let's start today to a revision. Question number 1. Complete the series by skip counting in 5s. You have to complete the series by skip counting. You know now how to count by skip counting? Okay? So see the question. 265, 270, 275, 275. Correct? Now we have to complete this series by skip counting in 5s. Means if we will skip the counting in 5s, after 265 we will get 270. Means after 265 we have to skip 5 numbers. After if we will skip 5 numbers, then we will get 270. Check 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270. Correct? 270 is our next number. And then after again 270, if we will skip 5 numbers, then we will get 275, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275. Correct? Now we have to complete this series by same skip counting in 5s. Okay? Now after 275, skip 5 numbers and then tell me what would be the next number. 276, 277, 278, 279, 280. So our next number is 280. Okay? Then after 280, again we have to skip counting in 5s. Means again we have to skip the 5 numbers. Okay? After 280, 281, 282, 283, 284, 285. So after 280, our answer is 285. Now after 285, 290. Very good. And after 290, 295. Very good. Now next question is complete this series by skip counting in 3s. Means now how we did complete this series by skip counting 5s. In this series we skip counting by 5 numbers. Okay? For complete this series. Now for complete this series we have to skip the counting, we have to skip the numbers by 3s. Means 3 numbers we have to skip. Okay? Now see the question. 500, then 503, 506. Means after 500, if we will skip 3 numbers, then we will get 503. After 503, if we will skip 3 numbers, then we will get 506. And after 506, if we will skip 3 numbers, then what we will get? 506, 507, 508, 509. So next number is 509. Okay, after 500, if we will skip 3 numbers, then 509, 510, 511, 512. 512. Then after 512, yes, you have to skip 3 numbers. 513, 514, 515. 550. After 515 is 518. Correct? 518. Yes. Now next question. See. Now in next question you have to see. See here. You have to find out. Okay. Means you have to find out how many series, by how many numbers you have to skip the counting. Okay. So 715, 725, 735. Now next you have to find out 745. It means now you will tell me how many numbers you will skip to complete this series. After 715, 718, 700. How you will find out? After 715 till 725, you will count your fingers. Okay? Means after 715, what will come? 716, 717, 718, 719, 720, 721, 722, 723, 724, 725. Means how many numbers we have to skip? 10 numbers. Correct? After 725, if we will skip 10 numbers, then our answer will come 735. Then after 735, if we will skip 10 numbers, then what will be the next answer? 745. And then afterwards 745? 755. Very good. So we'll write 755. Then after 755, again we will skip how many fingers? 10. Means how many numbers you will skip? 10. So skip 10 numbers. After 755, which number will come? 765. So 765. Then after 765, 775. It means skip counting. It means you have to skip the numbers and you have to count. Correct? Understood? And hope you remembered this. Now see the next question. Okay. In this sum you have to solve this question. 675 plus 14. It means you have to add these numbers. And you know how to add, right? It is very easy. Yes. So 675 plus 14. We will start the addition from the ones place. So first we will add ones place numbers. So here 5 plus 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 5, how many fingers we will count? 4 fingers. So count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write 9 under the ones place. Correct? Then next one, tens place addition. Correct? So at tens place 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 we will write under the tens place. Correct? Now 6. Here anything is there to add? Nothing. So now 6 will jump down. Right? 6 will jump down. So 675 plus 14 equals to 689. Okay? Now see the next. Here 462 plus 17. Means here you have to first arrange these numbers. You have to place these numbers at correct place and then you have to solve. Okay? So here also you have to do the addition. I already told you, whenever you will solve the question, see the question properly. Here addition sign, that is plus sign is there, right? Hence you have to solve in addition way. Means you have to add these numbers. So first we will place these numbers at correct place. 462. So first we will place 2 at the ones place, 6 at the tens place, and 4 at the hundred place. Correct? And now next is plus 17. So 7 we will place at tens place. No. Then yes. Then we will 7 we will place at ones place, and then 1 we will place at tens place. Correct? Now are arranging the numbers over. Right? We already placed the numbers at correct place. Now our next step is solve the sum. Here you have to add. Now we will start the addition from the ones place. Correct? Now, so we will add 2 plus 7. Here at the ones place you have to add 2 plus 7. Now tell me, 2 plus 7 equals to how many? 9. Very good. So 9 we will write under the ones place. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 we will write under the tens place. And then here 4 will jump down, because here any number is there? No. So 4 will jump down. Correct? So 462 equals to 17 is 479. Okay? Now we will do the next. See here. Here you have to add 3-digit addition. 800 plus 176. Okay? So same addition we will start from the ones place. So now tell me here, ones place which number you have to add? 0 plus 6. So 0 plus 6 equals to 0 or 6? 0 plus 6 equals to 6. Because 0 means nothing. Okay? 0 means anything? Nothing. And in 0 we have to add. How many numbers we have to add? 6. So 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 we will write under the ones place. Now look at the tens place. 0 plus 7. So 0 plus 7 is 7 only. And next is 8 plus 1. 100 place addition. So 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So 800 plus 176 is 976. Now see the next. Again here you have to arrange these numbers at correct place, and then you have to solve this sum. So here addition sign is given, right? Means you have to add. You have to add that number. Okay? So first we will place that numbers at correct place, right? So we will start from the 846. So first we will place the 6 under the ones place, 4 under the tens place, and 8 under the hundred place. Correct? Now read the number 846. Correct? Now addition. So we will write the addition sign, that is plus sign. Okay? Plus 123 means 3 we will write under the ones place, 2 we will write under the tens place, and 1 we will write under the hundred place. 123. Correct? Now we will do the addition. For addition we will start from the ones place. So 6 plus 3 equals to 6 plus 3 equals to, after 6 we will count 3 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 equals to 9. 9 we will write under the ones place. Now comes to the hundred place. No, then tens place. Very good. Now we will do the tens plus addition. So here at tens place you have to add 4 plus 2. Now tell me, 4 plus 2 equals to how many? 6. Very good. So 6 we will write under the tens place. Now we will do the addition. Yes, at the hundred place. So here at the hundred place you have to add 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So 846 plus 123 is equals to 969. Now see the next. 28 plus 59 plus 11. Same here. Here also first you have to arrange these numbers at correct place. It is very important step. Okay. Perfect. At correct place only you have to add this number. And for that purpose you have to read the question. You have to read the number properly. Like 28 means 8 will come at under the ones place and 2 will come at under the tens place. Hence 28. Okay, like that way. 59, 11 means you have to read the number properly. Then you have to arrange these numbers at correct place and then you have to solve the sum. Correct? So first we will arrange 28. 28. So first we will write 8 under the ones place and 2 under the tens place. Then we will write 59 and before that we will put the addition sign. Correct? That is plus. Then 59, for 59, 9 we will place under the ones place and 5 we will place under the tens place. And next is 11. For 11, 1 we will place under the ones place and 1 we will place at under the tens place. 11. Correct? Now you will read the numbers 28, 59, 11. Means all numbers are placed at perfect place. Okay, now we will add these numbers. So first we will add two numbers, right? Means first you will add these two numbers, 8 plus 9. So 8 plus 9. After 8 you will count 9 fingers, correct? Means 8, 9 fingers, only 9 fingers. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 17, keep it in your mind. Okay. 17. And next number is 1. Right. So 17 plus 1 is 18. Right. 17 plus 1 is 18. So 18. So what we will do? We will write 8 here and 1 we will carry over. Right. So we will write 8 here and 1 we will carry over. Right. Now what we will do? We will do the tens place addition. So here at tens place, first we will add these two numbers. Okay. First we will add these two numbers. Which numbers? 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Correct? 3. Now 3 we will keep it in your mind. Then after 3 we will add this 5. In 3 we will add 5. Correct? So 3 plus this 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 equals to 8. And 8 and one more number is remaining. That also we have to add. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Correct? So we will write now 9 under the tens place. So 28 plus 59 plus 11 equals to 98. Okay. So means whenever you will add the number 3, means you have to add the 3 times. Then first two number you will add. That number, that answer you will keep it in your mind. And then next number you will add. Correct? Okay. Now see the next question. 842 plus 8 plus 68. First we will arrange these numbers and then we will solve. Okay. Now 842. So 2 will write under the ones place, 4 under the tens place and 8 under the hundred place. Then we will write the addition sign, that is plus. Okay. Then we will write 8. So where we will write 8? Under the hundred place, under the tens place or under the ones place? Yes, under the ones place. 8 and next is 6 plus 68. So 8 we will write under the ones place and 6 we will write under the tens place. Correct? Now what we will do? We will solve this answer. Correct? So for solving the addition sum, we will start from the ones place. Here also you have to add 3 times. Okay. So first we will add 2 numbers. Then that answer we will keep it in your mind. And then we will add next number. Correct. So here 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is equals to how many? 2 plus 8. First we will add these two numbers. So 2 plus 8 equals to how many? 8, 9, 10. Correct? So 2 plus 8 is 10. Now we will add 10 plus next number is 8. Correct? Now 10 plus 8 is equals to how many? 18. So 8 we will write under the ones place and 1 we will carry over. So 8 we will write under the ones place and 1 we will carry over. Correct? 18. Now we will add 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 5 we will keep it in your mind and the next number is 6. So 5 plus 6 is equals to what? Tell me. 5. We will, 6 fingers. Now we will count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So we will write 11 under the tens place and 1 we will carry over. Right? 1 and 1 we will carry over. 11. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. So, and another number is there? No, nothing is there. So we will write 9 directly. Correct? So 9 we will write under the 100 place. So 842 plus 8 plus 68 is 918. Okay. Now next sum. Add using expanded form. Here you have to use expanded form. Did you remember expanded form? Yes. So you have to apply here. Okay. Now first see the question. 347 plus 548. So whenever you will solve the expanded form questions, expanded form sums, what you have to do? First you have to expand each and every number. Correct? And then you have to add that number and then what will be the answer come? That number, that answer we will add again. That is expanded form. Correct? So here first we will start from the ones place only. So first we will expand ones place. Okay? It means at ones place 347. Right? So 7 will write like that way only. 7 and 8. Right? Now 347. So we wrote 7. Correct? Now 40. 340. Hence it is tens place 4 is there. Hence we will write 4040. And now 300. 300 means we will write 300. Means 3 2 times 0, that is 300. Correct? So we will write 300 number. Then we will expand next number, that is 548. So first we will write 8. Okay. Now 540. Then we will write 40 means 500. So we will write 500 directly. 500. Correct? So now we expanded each and every number according to their place. Right? According to their place value. Now we will add these numbers. 7, first we will start saying 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 equals to how many? 7. We will count 8 fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 plus 8 is 15. We will write directly 15. Okay. Now 40 plus 40. You have to add 40 plus 40. So you don't know, you don't have 40 fingers. So what we will do? Same how we have done in addition first. Same way we have to add. First we will add 0 plus 0 and then we will add 4 plus 4. Correct? So 0 plus 0 is 0 and 4 plus 4 is 8. So 40 plus 40 is 80. Correct? Now we will do the 300 plus 500 addition. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0. Only again 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 3 plus 5 is 8. it means 8 and 2 times 0. Correct? So 8 and 2 times 0, it means 800. Okay? Now we will arrange these answer, means 800, 80 and 15 at correct place. Okay? And then we will solve the answer. So first we will arrange 800. For 800, 0 we will write under the ones place. 8 we will again 0 we will write under the tens place, and 8 we will write under the hundred place. That is 800. Now read the number 800. Correct? Now we will arrange 80. For 80, what we will do? We will 0 we will write under the ones place, and 8 we will write under the tens place. 80. Correct? And next is 15. And for 15, 5 we will write under the ones place, and 1 we will write under the tens place. That is 15. Okay? Now we will add these numbers. So same, we will start the addition from the ones place. So 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 5 is 5. So 5 we will write under the ones place. Then 0 plus 8 is 0. Then 8. So 0 plus 8 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So we will write 9 under the hundred place. No, then 9 we will write under the tens place. Very good. And then 8. 8 will jump down because there no number is there. Anything is there? No, only 8 is there. Hence 8 will jump down. 895. It means 347 plus 548 is 895. Okay? Now next is write the subtraction facts. So here you have to write the subtraction fact. Did you remember? Each addition has 2 subtraction facts, and every subtraction has 2 addition facts. Correct? So see this. First is 7 plus 2 equals to 9. And for subtraction facts, what we will do? We will subtract first 9 minus 2, and then we will subtract 9 minus 7. Correct? So 9 minus 2 means first we will subtract these two numbers. First we will subtract these two numbers, 9 minus 2. Correct? And then we will subtract these two numbers, 9 minus 7. Correct? So see, 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So first we will write that 9 minus 2 equals to 7. Correct? And next we will subtract 9 minus 7. So from 9 minus 7 means from 9 fingers you have to take out 7 fingers, right? 5, 6, 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2. So we'll write 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay? Now see the next. One more example, and this answer you have to give me. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. So what will become next? Tell me the answer. 10 minus 4 is 6. Very good. So how we will write? You will write 10 minus 4 equals to 6. So 10 minus 4 equals to 6. And next is 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Very good. 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Okay. Now next question is write the addition facts. Means you have to write the addition facts. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. In addition facts, what you will do? It's very easy. First we will add these two numbers, 2 plus 5, and then we will add 5 plus 2. Correct? So first we will write 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5 equals to how many? Tell me. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 equals to 7. So we will write 2 plus 5 equals to 7. And next is 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So 5 plus 2 equals to 7. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Now next you will solve 9 minus 3 equals to 6. Yes, so first we will add 3 plus 6 and then we will add 6 plus 3. So 3 plus 6 is equals to how many? 3 plus 6. 9. Correct? So we will write 3 plus 6 is 9 and then we will add 6 plus 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9 only. So 6 plus 3 is 9. It means we have to add 3 plus 6 or 6 plus 3. Answer will come same number. Okay, that is bigger number. Now next question is find the difference. Here you have to find the difference. 623 minus 257 means what you will do? Yes, you will place these numbers at correct place and then you will solve the answer. 3 we will place under the ones place, then 2 we will place under the tens place and 6 we will place under the hundred place. Now we will read the sum, read the number 623. Now we will write the subtraction sign. Correct? Now 257. So 7 we will write under the ones place, 5 we will write under the tens place and 2 we will write under the hundred place. Now we will solve this sum. Correct? So here in this sum you have to subtract. We will start the subtraction from the ones place. So here at ones place 3 minus 7 is there. So 3 is smaller than 7. Is it possible? No. So what we will do? We will borrow from the tens place. We will borrow 1 10 from the tens place and we will add it to the 3 ones. So 10 plus 3 equals to 13. So we will cut the 3 and instead of 3 what we will write? 13. Now we will subtract 13 minus 7, right? We don't have 13 fingers. So what we will do? Yes, we will start the counting after the 7 till the 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Correct? So 13 minus 7 is 6. So we will write 6 under the ones place. Correct? Now we borrow from the tens place. So we will cut 2. We borrow 1 10. So 2 minus 1 is 1. We will write 1. Now 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5. 1 is also smaller than 5. Then what we will do? Again we will borrow from the hundred place. Because I already told you ones place will borrow from the tens place and tens place will borrow from the hundred place only. Okay. So now tens place will borrow from the hundred place. So we will borrow 1. So we will cut 1 and we will write 11. Correct? So 11 minus 5. Again we don't have 11 fingers. So we will count after 5 till 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. So we will write 6 under the tens place. Correct? Now we borrow from the hundred place also. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So we will cut the 6 and instead of 6 what we will write? 5. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 we will write under the tens place. So 623 minus 257 is 366. Correct? Now see the next. Same. Here you have to directly solve the answer. Okay? So 965 minus 543. Same, we will start the subtraction from the ones place. And here at ones place, you have to subtract 5 minus 3. From 5, you have to take out 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 will write under the ones place. Next, tens place. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Very good. So 2 we will write under the tens place. And next is 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 is equals to how many? 9 minus 5 equals to 4. So 4 we will write under the 100 place. Like 422 is your answer. The difference between 965 and number 543 is number 422. Okay. Now next is subtract and check. Means you have to subtract and then you have to check. This is checking method whether our answer is correct or not. Okay. For that purpose we use checking method. Right. We have already done this. Right. And I know you all are practiced very well. Right. So see this sum. 385 minus 25. So first again we will arrange these numbers at correct place. Then we will solve that sum and then we will check. But how we will check? For checking method we will add difference and smaller number. If we will get the bigger number, it means our answer is correct. If we will not get the bigger answer, it means our subtraction is wrong. Correct? It means in short it is a checking method. Okay. So now we will arrange these numbers at correct place. 385. So 5 we will write under the ones place, 8 under the tens place and 3 under the 100 place. And then we will arrange 25. So 5 we will write under the ones place and 2 we will write under the tens place. Correct? 385 minus 25. Now what we will do? Yes. Now we will subtract ones place subtraction. Right? We will subtract from the ones place. So 5 minus 5. One subtraction rule is there. One subtraction fact is there. When we will subtract any number by itself, the results will come in 0. It means here we are here in this question we have to subtract 5 number 5 by itself, means 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0 only. Now 8 minus 2. Tell me 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 we will write under the tens place and here any number is not there under the 3. Right? So what we will do? We will 3 will jump down. So 360 is our answer. Now we will check whether our answer is correct or not. Okay, the subtraction which we have done, it is correct or not. For checking method, what we will do? We will first write the difference and then we will add 25. It means then we will add smaller number in that. Right? Difference plus smaller number. If you will get bigger number, then our answer is correct or our answer is wrong if we will not get the bigger number. Right? It is very simple. So let's check whether our answer is correct or not. So first we will write difference. So 0 under the ones place, same 6 under the tens place and 3 under the 100 place. Okay. Now for checking method we have to add, and what is the sign of addition? Plus. So we will write plus. And after difference what we will add? Smaller number, and here smaller number is 25. So 5 we will write under the ones place and 2 we will write under the tens place, 25. Now what we will do? We will check whether our answer is correct or not. So we will do the addition from the ones place. 0 plus 5 is 0 plus 5 is 0 means nothing. So we have to add anything? Nothing. So 0 plus 5 is 5 only. So 5 we will write under the ones place. Now 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 we will write under the tens place and here 3 will jump down. Means 385. 385 is bigger number? Yes. Look at this sum. 385 is a bigger number. It means our subtraction we have done is correct subtraction. Correct? Now next. Find the missing digits. Here also some rules which I revised you. Correct? Find the missing digits. When we have to find the difference, what we will do? Easily we will we will subtract bigger number minus smaller number. From smaller number you will subtract bigger number. Correct? And when we have to find out the bigger number, that time what we will do? Yes, that time we will add difference and smaller number. Correct? And when we have to find out the smaller number, that time what we will do? Yes, that time we will subtract the bigger number and difference. Now see this sum. Start from the ones place only. At ones place you have to find out the smaller number. Right? Bigger number is also given and difference also given. And here you have to find out the smaller number. And for finding the smaller number, what you will do? Yes, what you will do? You will subtract bigger number minus difference. So 8 minus 5. Here bigger number is 8 and difference is 5. Means from 8 fingers you have to take out 5 fingers. 4, 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we will write 3. Okay. Now again 7 is given, that is bigger number. 4 is given, that is difference. And you have to find out smaller number. Now tell me, what you will do? You will subtract 7 minus 4. Now 7 minus 4 is 3. So we will write 3. Yes. And where is the smaller number is there? Now look at the 100 place. At the 100 place you have to find out the bigger number. And for finding the bigger number, what we will do? We will add smaller number and difference. So add smaller number is 4 and difference is 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 we will write under the 100 place at the bigger number place only. Okay. Now next. Okay. See here. Start from the ones place. Here at the ones place you have to find out the difference. And you know very well it is very easy how to find out difference. Right? You have to just subtract from smaller number to bigger number. It means here 8 minus 4 you have to subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. So 4 we will write under the ones place. Now comes to the 100 place. No. Then comes to the tens place. So here at tens place, which number you have to find out? Which digit you have to find out? Yes, bigger number, bigger digit you have to find out. So for that purpose, what you will do? Yes, you will add smaller number and difference. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So we'll write 6. Now again comes to the 100 place, and at 100 place you have to find out the difference. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 we will write under the 100 place. Okay. Now we will solve the word problems. Okay. But before solve the word problems, you have to tell me the 3 steps. I already told you, whenever you will solve the word problem, remember the steps. 3 steps. Okay. Using that 3 steps, you can easily solve the word problems. First step is read the problem carefully. You have to read the problem very carefully and find out what is information given in that. Okay, what is information is given in that. Next step is, second step is, then you have to find out what you need to find. In question, what I need to find out, that you have to observe. Okay, and the third step is, then after all this observation, after all this collecting the information, you have to, yes, you have to decide your operation. Means whether you have to do the addition or whether you have to do the subtraction. You have to decide the operation, and according to the operation, you have to solve the sum. Correct? If it is addition, then you have to add the numbers, and if it is subtraction, then you have to subtract the numbers. Yes? Did you remember all these steps? Very good. Now, according to the first step, we have to read this question, read this problem very carefully. Now, you have to read the problem with me, and you have to decide the operation also. Read this problem. In a party, there were 125 men, 150 women and 222 children. Okay, in a party there were 125 men, 150 women and 222 children are there. How many people were there in the fair? You have to find out now total numbers of people. And when we have to find out the total numbers of people, that time what we will do? We will add. So here you have to add the numbers. Okay. So first tell me the main. How many main? Number of main is 125. So 5 we will write under the ones place, 2 we will write under the tens place and 1 we will write under the 100 place. Right? Then we already decide our operation. What? Addition. Then we will write addition sign, that is plus. Right? Then 150. Women is 150. So first we will arrange these numbers at correct place. So 0 we will write under the ones place, 5 we will write under the tens place and 1 we will write under the 100 place. And then next is 222 children. Means number of children is 222. So 2 will write under the ones place, 2 will write under the tens place, 2 will write under the 100 place. 222. Now we will add these numbers. Okay, because here we decided operation, that is addition. Why addition? Because here we have to find out the total together number of children, total number of people in the fair. Okay, so now add. 5 plus 0 is 5 and then 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7 we will write under the ones place. Correct? Now next is 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 we will write under the tens place and next at 100 place 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 we will write under the 100 place. So there were dash people in the fair. Now tell me how many people were in the fair? 497. So we will complete that answer also. So there were 497 people are there in the fair. Okay. Now next, read the sum. Read the problem. Max has 136 toy cars. How many toy cars are there? 136. 29 are big. In all toy cars, 29 are big cars and rest are small. Okay? And how many small toy cars does Max have? Now we have to find out the small toy cars numbers. Okay? So here they have already given total toy cars, that is 136. Big toy cars is 29. Okay? And you have to find out the small toy cars. Okay? So for that purpose, what you will do? Yes, you will subtract, because you have to find out the how many cars, small toy cars. Okay? They have already given the total. You have to find out the small toy cars. So what we will do? Here you have to find out the difference. Okay? So for that purpose, what you will do? Yes, you will subtract the numbers. So first we will write total toy cars. Now tell me how many total toy cars are there? 136. So 6 we will write under the ones place, 3 we will write under the tens place and 1 we will write under the 100 place. Now subtraction. What is the sign of subtraction? Minus. So we will write minus because we have decided the operation, that is subtraction. So we will write subtraction sign, that is minus. And big toy cars are 29 only. So 9 we will write under the ones place and 2 we will write under the tens place. Now we will subtract this number. Okay. 6 minus 9. Look at the ones place subtraction. 6 minus 9. Is it possible? No. Because 6 is smaller than 9. Then what we will do? Yes. We will borrow from the tens place. We will borrow 1 10 from the tens place and we will add it to the 6 ones. So 10 plus 6 is 16. So what we will do? We will cut 6 and instead of 6 what we will write? 16. So we will cut 6 and we will write 16. Now 16 minus 9 is what? We will count after 9 till 16. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 we will write under the ones place. Correct? Now what we will do next? We already borrow from the tens place. So what we will do? We will cut 3 and instead of 3 what we will write? 2 because we borrow 1 10. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. And here 1 will jump down. So now tell me how many small toy cars does Max have? Yes, Max have 107 small toy cars. So we'll complete this 107 small toy cars. Okay? Now next, open your maths notebook and write your homework properly. Write your homework properly. See this first question. You have to add 48 plus 30. Second is you have to subtract 947 minus 425. From 425 you have to subtract 947. Done? Okay. Next, see. 197 plus 5 plus 44. And fourth one is 84 minus 58. Here you have to subtract. Look at this sign. Sign is also important. Here if it is plus sign, it means you have to add the numbers, right? And if it is minus sign, it means you have to subtract the numbers. Keep all these steps in your mind. Okay? Don't confused. Okay? It is very easy. Addition and subtraction, it is very easy. Just remember all these steps. Next, subtract and check. Okay? Next question is subtract and check. You know very well. First, this number that is 850 minus 240. You will keep these numbers at correct place. Correct? And then you will subtract. And then we will check whether our subtraction is correct or not. For that purpose, what we will do? For that purpose, we will add difference and smaller number. Correct? If you will get bigger number, it means your subtraction is correct. If you will not get the bigger number, it means something went wrong. Something you are doing, that is your answer is wrong. Right? So in short, it is checking method. Done? Okay. Write the next. Find the missing digits. You know how to find the missing digits, correct? For finding the smaller number, what we will do? Yes, we will subtract bigger number and difference. If we want to find out the bigger number, then what we will do? We will add bigger number and smaller number. And if we want to find out the difference, then we will subtract bigger number and smaller number. Correct? Okay. Now, next, add using expanded form. Okay? Expanded form. For expanded form, if you want to add in expanded form, then what you will do? You will expand it. First, you will expand it each and every number. Right? Each and every number you will expand. Then you will add that numbers and the answer which you will come, that answer we will write. Right? We will write at correct place. That answer we will keep it at correct place and then we will add that sum. That is expanded form. Done? Okay. Now next is write the subtraction facts. Every addition has two subtraction facts and every subtraction has two addition facts. Correct? Keep it in your mind. Write the subtraction facts, write the addition facts. Whenever you will write the subtraction facts, that time you have what you have to do? You have to subtract the bigger number from other two numbers, right? You have to subtract the bigger number. And for addition facts, yes, that number, that answer and another number, that is answer, difference and smaller number you will add, again smaller number and difference you will add. Done? Okay. Now complete the series by skip counting in 5 ways. First you have to complete the series by skip counting in 5 ways. Complete that. 450, 455, 460 and continuous. Next, here question is complete the series by skip counting in 3 A's, but it is like, now what you will do, you have to find out. Okay. Next is also 860, 870, 880, 890. You have to find out by how many numbers you have to skip. How many numbers you have to skip the counting to complete that series. Okay? Done? Okay. Next, word problem. Remember the steps. Every time whenever you will solve the word problems, remember the steps. Use your imagination power. Here, read the questions. Meena has 124 green jelly beans, 16 red jelly beans and 9 blue jelly beans. Then how many jelly beans does she have? Remember the terms which used in addition and subtraction for solve the word problems. Done? Write the next. How much less is 376 from 249? See, there were one box is given. In that box you have to write the signs. Means if you are doing subtraction, then write subtraction sign. If you are using addition operation, then write addition sign. Done? Okay. Now our revision also over. Okay. Now it's your duty. Now it's your turn to do study. Do properly. Practice all the sum properly. Don't confused. It is very easy. Keep each and every steps in your mind. Okay. Understand the question. Read the question properly. Understand the meaning of question. And then you have to solve the sum. Right? So keep these 3 steps, which is very much important. First, read the question, read the sum properly, then remember the steps and then solve the sum. Okay? Okay. So practice at home. Okay? Do practice.